Hello again. This is the sixth video for today, and I'm here again for this another video for the construction. So today is January 16, 2023, and it's 45 degrees, and time is 1:25 in the afternoon. Yeah, and they're still here. They've been here since this morning. I wish they actually get the hell out of here or something. Yep. Enough's enough. They're tearing down the whole forest to make it into like a freaking garage. The city's been freaking planning this. And I noticed there was a movie theater in Hazleton. Somebody just got shot recently, and if I ever see a movie, I can go there. But the only movie I want to see back in September of last year was the Disney's Pinocchio, directed by Robert Zemeckis, but it was a flop. That's why it was on Disney streaming. And that sucks. I go for the original Pinocchio 1940. Yeah. Hazleton's is just a good place for Perkins and the Laurel Mall, and now there's a movie theater over there. And the Salvation Army thrift store on Broad Street, right near the bus terminal when my brother has to get on there months ago when he had to come here. We got some lumbers, and look at that. Feels like I'm in the Seven Brides and Seven Brothers. They've been here for 6-7 hours or something. I wish they actually go a hell away of these freaking jackals. Now, no, I don't see any more tree cutters. They are still here. And we got a bowling alley around here in Pottsville, over in Market Street when you go to Gordon Yeagle Trail. That is a good bowling alley. There was a lot of kids there today because it was a holiday of Martin Luther King. Maybe they put some plumbing in if they use a sink. Boy, it's been like 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks already when these workers are here. Never a dull moment of this crap for me. I have to do this for taping, but this is part of the business to entertain these YouTubers about how do they feel about like the construction. I did it before with the trees cutting, and also they did this around like Halloween. Now they're doing it in friggin' January. That's my New Year's present I have to get because of this. These men are just digging. I hope they have some buried treasure or something. Like the pirates do, they do bury treasure. Just like Treasure Island. And that was a good Disney movie with Robert Newton and Bobby Driscoll. And that was the first Disney fully live action movie ever made. Okay. It's pretty crowded too today for like a holiday. Not supposed to be working on the holiday. That doesn't make no sense. This used to be a house over here before, way before we moved here. I was doing some the Google researching about like the Google Maps updating. Yeah, that was the house until it was demolished around the 2010s or 12s. I wish they go away, these jackasses. They don't deserve to do it. They don't deserve this for what they did to the trees and the woods. That was our fun place. I still go there when they leave. I just go there. Do sightseeing. I'll let you know that right now, everybody. I want you to be a witness of these videos that I've been taping, just for simple updates, to see how you feel about when they doing it to like the woods. Now I think they're digging and like the other hole. So I hope you enjoyed this 6th video for January 16, 2023 of the construction. So I'll see you next time when I have some more updates about like the construction, anything changing. In the meantime, try to comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like other videos that I made for you. Later, folks, and I have to charge my camera. Chill.